What's up, YouTube? I'm back again, but unfortunately I'm not with Aaron, sadly. Due to everything that's going on, we had to do our videos separate, but together, of course. I got my BodyWorks box. This is what it looks like. I thought what better way to show you than what I'm doing during quarantine, sitting on the couch watching TV. I got it kind of late because I thought I was gonna go home for quarantine, but my mom is a nurse, so I decided to stay at my apartment where I go to school. So she had to mail me my box, and that also took forever. But let's see what we got. So this is what the box looks like. It's really cute, actually, if you turn it around. This is what the inside looks like. And that low-key looks like, that's cute. But, so I haven't even opened it yet, honestly. So we're gonna open it together. It comes with a cleanse and treat. So I guess it's to show you what comes in the box.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing my BodyWorks unboxing. So this is what it looks like. Same as last time. Just jumping. So it comes with this that tells you like what the products are known for. So we have the almond marshmallow line, the hibiscus honey line, and the jojoba manoi, I hope I'm saying that right, line. And this is what it looks like on the inside.
First things first, they gave us a hair towel. If you don't already have one, you should definitely invest in a hair towel because it's better for your hair. And it's not harsh on your hair. I love these hair towels, they're so soft. But yeah, definitely get one because this is where it's at. So love this.
And now I'm gonna talk about the products. So the first product I'm gonna talk about is the shampoo that they gave us. It's the jojoba manoi moisturizing shampoo. It looks like this. And it's paraben free, sulfate free, and it smells really good. It honestly smells like cocoa butter and baby oil mixed together a little bit.
Let's see. Natural deep conditioner. Haley loves a natural deep conditioner. I love deep conditioning my hair. I try to do it at least once or twice a week. Lately, I've been a little slacking on that though. But that's just because I haven't been doing my hair as much, sadly.
Okay, the next thing we have is the hibiscus honey hydration custard. This is what it looks like. It's really creamy. It almost feels like a lotion, so I'm really interested to see how this is gonna work on my hair. Yeah, so this is what it looks like.
Okay. Love hibiscus tea. This is the almond marshmallow hydration serum. That looks like it's gonna be good. I'm excited to use that.
Okay. Next, I have the almond marshmallow therapy leave-in conditioner. I never really had a spray leave-in conditioner, so I'm excited to see how this works. I've already smelled this, and I really like the way it smells. Yeah, it smells so good. I'm not even sure how to explain this smell, but it smells delicious. I'm not gonna lie to you. Maybe it's the almond. I think I like the almond smell.
And this packaging is so cute. I swear, one of my favorite things about this brand is they package stuff so cute. I'm super excited to use this. If you guys haven't already, get you some of this product. What? It smells super good. The last box I got, I loved, and I'm sure I will love this box just as much. Aaron, I miss you. I hope to see you soon when all this is over. Enjoy your box, and I'll enjoy mine. Bye, everyone.
Be telling you to go follow somebody, but I'm not really sure the name yet. They're Eden BodyWorks brand ambassador, just like me and Haley. So please go follow them and support their page. Thank you.